Welcome to Butch Haze TV, and we have a lot of stuff going on this month. May was really interesting in that, some of the properties that we expected offers, we didn't get offers, and some properties that we thought where we weren't going to sell them actually got offers. Like Stinson Beach is one of those markets. Wow, that just took off. The beach house sale there, a lagoon sale, lots of activity at some of the other listings there. It's really interesting to see that second home market. Summer's here. We just didn't know last year there was no market. Right now too, where it's a really unique situation where a property won't be getting offers in that first 2 weeks, but then there'll be multiple offers in 30 days or 40 days. And we're like, wow, where were these buyers, when it first launched? And buyers are just coming into the market at all different times. So to see it really accelerate was great. So we have a really good summer ahead of us for those looking at second homes. What a great time to be a buyer. Get some great prices on second homes in Stinson Beach or Tahoe. It's just really exciting to see it come out of the gate like this. San Francisco, there was a big pullback. Again, my buyers were rewarded. We got some great properties. We didn't have to compete. So I really like that about May, and I expect that market to go into June where, if you're a buyer, now is just a great time, and sellers are finally, coming to a place where they're like, hey, I'm ready to sell. And so that's when we have a market that transacts. So again, we're seeing this across the board, and all my friends that are top agents around the country, same things happen in all these markets. Buyers are being rewarded when they're jumping in, taking risk, and that's always been the case with anybody that takes really good educated risks. What are educated good risks? Investing in the long term of New York, San Francisco, Miami, LA, San Diego. And if you need contacts there, just DM me. We just have some great all-star agents in all those markets that can really help. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed a day in the life as we kind of move around and have some fun in this beautiful city we call San Francisco.